The numbers on the Navajo Nation continue to rise. The preliminary count for today, an additional 42 cases. That brings the total to 426 cases and 17 deaths. It is one of the hardest hit areas in the state. ABC 15's Melissa Blazia spoke to the president of the Navajo Nation today, and he says the help they've received from the government simply isn't enough.
Tribal leaders on the Navajo Nation are scouting more possible sites for field hospitals today, trying to keep up with the number of coronavirus patients.
It's very frustrating at times.
Jonathan Nez is the president. While federal funds have been approved, he says Indian communities must go through more red tape than states do, which could delay their payment until summer.
To know that, those dollars that were allocated and signed into law, it's supposed to go to all United States citizens. But yet, the first citizens of this country are, in a way, being ignored by Washington, D.C.
Some medical supplies came from the National Strategic Stockpile.
One question I asked when the delivery came, I said, how long will this last for one healthcare facility? And the surprising answer I received was not even a week. That was alarming to us here on the Navajo Nation.
College students back home struggle to continue their education with limited or no access to the internet. Lack of infrastructure is a long-time problem in Indian country, making it much harder to make it through the pandemic.
Not many people are blessed with having running water in their homes. And here we're telling our citizens to wash their hands with soap and water.
Many homes in rural areas are 4 to 5 miles apart from each other. Some have no plumbing, no electrical grid. Residents must haul water back to their homes daily.
The challenge in that is how frequently do you have to go get water, and is the water available? You can go to a well, it may not be working. You're going to have to go farther to go get more water.
Debbie Nez-Manuel has family on the Navajo Nation. She says one relative died from COVID-19, but restrictions put in place due to the pandemic did not allow her to go back.
You never want them to believe that no one was there with them.
Debbie says she's supporting her relatives from miles away through frequent calls to stay connected and stay strong. I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.